Today we're going to talk a little bit about the role and application of vocational education in our school system. Throughout the over 100 years history of this program, there has been much controversy about whether it has merit or not. The philosophy is that not everyone is going to be a college-bound student, but everyone should have the freedom to be allowed to, if they have that desire. The main criticism of vocational education depends on how much control the system has over the student. If individuals are selected for a particular vocation due to their aptitude, and they do not receive education in other areas, then they are not set up for success if they wish to go into another field later. Also, if they do not have an interest in that particular vocation for which they are selected, then they are not allowed the freedom to pursue other areas of interest and given the education they need to thrive. It comes down to the fine line of an individual being given the freedom of choice to receive an education that prepares them for their desired occupation in life. Furthermore, counseling that individual into an area that they have skills and aptitude for and educate them in a manner that will set them up for success in order for them to become a contributing member of society. The Nebraska Department of Education, the NDE, has not made a change in their policy since their decision in 1998 about vocational education. Their statement at that time was as follows: signed into law on October 31st, 1998, Perkins 3 restructures programs previously authorized by the Carl D. Perkins Vocational and Applied Technology Education Act, setting out a new vision of vocational technical education for the 21st century. Improving student achievement and preparation for post-secondary education, further learning, and careers are the central goals of this new vision. Perkins 3 promotes reform and innovation in vocational technical education to help ensure that all students acquire the skills and knowledge they need to meet challenging state academic standards and industry-recognized skill standards, and to prepare for post-secondary education, further learning, and a wide range of career opportunities. The NDA goes on to say the following six statements. Nebraska competes in a global economy. The purpose of the Perkins Act is to prepare a workforce for the academic and vocational skills needed to compete successfully in a world market. Number 2, vocational education, technical education, allows students to explore career options and develop the skills they need both in school and the workplace. Vocational technical education Vocational technical education is a combination of classroom instruction, hands-on laboratory work, and on-the-job training meets students' different learning styles so that they all may learn. Vocational technical education prepares participants for both secondary education and employment. Vocational technical education prepares individuals with leadership skills to assume successful roles in society through career and technical student organizations such as DECA, FBLA, FFA, FCCLA, HOSA, Skills USA, VICA, and the YFEA. Vocational technical education prepares individuals for the bulk of America's jobs. And here's an interesting statement. In 1996, only about 20% of America's jobs required a 4-year college degree. That is 1 out of every 5 students needs a 4-year degree. But many jobs require some education beyond high school, often in the community college level. This being said, it is evident that for over a decade and a half, the Nebraska Department of Education has not changed their thoughts on the role and application of vocational education in Nebraska school systems. And there is no apparent evidence that they will in the near future.